Good morning, beautiful people. We are here in the 1Password program, and I want to show you how to use 1Password on PC. Now, keep in mind the PC version and the Android version don't differ drastically. However, the Android version does not allow screen recording, so if you are using another device, follow along as the information will be very similar, guys. So what I've done is added my Nexus mods page login here, and I'll show you how to add any password or details you need secured. So if you are on the 1Password homepage, click on the new item button. You will then be met with this screen. It'll ask you what you would like to add, and it will give you a list of information to fill in. Once you are done filling in all the information for your password or credit card, hit save and you will have that new password on your home screen. So if I want to log into Nexus, I could simply drag and drop the info into the Nexus login page. Or I could switch off the default password manager in Chrome and set 1Password as the default password manager. Now, there is still more important info to consider. I can also fully set up my personal information like my address, identity numbers, billing info, cell phone numbers, banking details, and have 1Password use this info when I need it without constantly having to retype and remember every single password. Let's face it, every website has its own password and character requirements. It becomes impossible to remember them all. It also has become dangerous to let browsers save the info. So 1Password is definitely the most secure way to store information digitally at the moment. Guys, that is all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed the video, leave us a like, hit subscribe for more information like this. Make sure that bell icon is on and have a beautiful day.